What's going on, everybody? Hope you're all having a very, very beautiful day. This is Brian with Bazzar Repairs and Reviews, and I am very excited because today is going to be my first road trip in my 2021 Tesla Model Y Cherry Red. So, a friend invited me to go to the Grand Canyon. I've never been before. I live in Southern California, so I said, you know what? Let's do a road trip in this Model Y. So I'm going to be driving solo and meeting some friends up there. So I just wanted to let you guys know what it's going to be like. So it's going to be tomorrow, so I'll document myself driving up there. I'm about 60 miles north of Hollywood, where I live. Staying here for the night, so it's going to be about 450 miles or so to Arizona. So I just wanted to go through what I'm going to be bringing. With you guys, camera around here. All right, so fanny pack, of course, got to have that. Camelback, just for if I decide to go hiking. I got a tent, just a chair, first aid kit. Probably don't need that. I bought this bed for the Tesla, so I hope it fits. It should. If not, it may stick out this on the sides a little bit. But yes, I got that bed here, mattress, because I don't know if I'm going to be camping inside or outside, just depending on weather. I'm a little diva. We got my Tesla charger, of course, a hammock. What is that? I think that's a sleeping bag. And actually, that over there was the tent. Duffel bag, hats, of course. I got a portable shower. Just got on Amazon, and just a power inverter here. Let's see if we can open it up. Just a little red power inverter that you can just plug in right there, just to get some AC outlets that I'd be able to plug in right over there if I need it. Also, my friends bring, last but not least, gotta have the goods. The goods are there. Now, I'm not drinking for a whole year, so that's 100%, actually 0% alcohol-free Heine's. I'm that guy. So, just watch the bad baby, and we will be leaving at about 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning, and then I'll show you guys the screen, what it'll look like, and where I'm going to be stopping at to charge, and hopefully everything works out okay. Once again, hope you guys are having a great day, and thanks for watching. Enjoy. Okay, so I went ahead and put in where I'm going, which is the Mather Campground in Arizona at the Grand Canyon. Now, it wants me to stop in Baker and then go to the Kingman charger, which is probably the most ideal. But I'm going to be meeting some friends here in Barstow, and there's a Barstow, supercharger there. And then I can just take the 40 across, like so, and then just come back up to Kingman. That's only because I'm meeting friends, but if I wasn't, I would probably just take the route that it tells me, which is over here in Baker, then Kingman, and then go straight up to Grand National Park. So it will reroute me once I get to Barstow and I come across, which is just going to take me along the 40. So I'll update you guys when I get there. All right, we just made it to the Tesla supercharger station in Barstow. We got Santiago here.
Hey, good morning, good morning.
With his nice, beautiful black and my red cherry Model Y. So yeah, we're here. Plenty of stalls here, 150 kilowatts. I got here a little first. Mine's almost done. He's got about 30, 45 minutes, so we're gonna go to the bathroom, maybe grab a bite to eat, and then we'll be heading on the 40 for 200 miles all the way to Kingman. I believe that's the name of the stop. All right, we'll see you guys there. We made it to the stop over here at Kingman. Woo! Long 200-mile range, 200-mile ride. But yeah, nice stop, plenty of stalls. They got these different looking ones over there, if you can see them. They were a little bit slower. Don't know what those are. Maybe they were older, but we're all good. All right, cool. We're backing up and we're gonna charge here and then we'll be on the... Okay, we've made it to the last supercharger before going into the Grand Canyon. As you can see, I got 59 miles left. I did not need to stop here, but because I'm going to be camping in my car, I do want a full charge on the inside. So I'm going to go ahead and charge this last time, and then we'll head on in to the Grand Canyon. Okay, we made it to our campsite. I'm drinking non-alcoholic Heineken beer. Beautiful, beautiful bar right over there. Said if I wuss out, I'll be camping in there, but more likely I'll be in my tent with the crew. Cheers.
It's like I only get it when it's not on camera.
Oh! Okay, day 2, just woke up from the campsite in the Tesla, and I gotta say I'm quite pleased. Camping in this thing was really easy. Just put up a sun shield, put the car in camp mode, and just slept right in the back right here with the little mattress, little pillow, and I was good. Alright, and one cool thing you can do before you're getting ready to leave is go ahead and pull up to one of the Tesla destination chargers in one of the parking lots and just go ahead and top off your car. And you can even do this overnight if you're in camp mode. So this is something really cool that I did right before I was just about to get ready and go ahead and leave. Alright, so we are pretty much all packed up. We spent about 2 days here, and I am all ready to go. This trip was great. The Tesla, camping inside the Tesla was phenomenal. I mean, I was originally going to sleep inside my tent, and camp mode just blew my mind. So I probably will never use a tent again if I'm able to ride in my Tesla. So with that said, we're all packed up. We're going to get out of here and start heading back to Hollywood. Alright, so I got 316 miles. We're going to head back to my work location in Hollywood, California, North Hollywood. So, went ahead and pressed that, and let's see what it takes us to. Now, we're going to stop at the supercharger in Needles, and we'll have 31% battery left, and I'll charge there for 25 minutes. And I've never been there, so I'm excited to see how that one looks. And then we'll be back at the supercharger in Barstow, and we're going to charge up there for 20 minutes, and that's the one I was at earlier. And then I'll be able to go home, to my work location where I got to drop off some of this stuff from my car. So, alright, I'm excited to go to this new supercharger in Needles. I haven't been there yet. So I'm pretty much fully packed up and we're ready to depart. Let's hit the road. Okay, I just reached the the Needles station. I don't know why this is saying that. I pretty much got 58 miles. So we're going to go ahead and just navigate back to work there. And then we'll start the charge. So I just need to charge here for 25 minutes. And there's my friend backing up right beside me. We're going to go ahead and start our charge. All right, so we're here charging. We got a douchebag truck that wanted to park his car right in front of the Tesla chargers. Not cool, not cool. Anyways, we're in Needles. It is about 105 degrees, super hot. We're about to get out of this town, and then we'll be out of here. Okay, and I'm making my way to the last Tesla supercharger station in Barstow, California. Thank God there's plenty of spots open, so I'm just gonna charge up as much as I need to make it home. It's been a long ride, and I'm almost done. Final destination. I'm here back at my shop where I can charge in North Hollywood. Whew, guys, that was a long drive, but in the Tesla, it was so comfortable. Didn't wear me out like a normal car would. Camping in the Tesla, that is, I might never use a tent again if possible. But yeah, I am worn out and I need to get some rest. I got to edit this video and get it up to you guys. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you on the next one. Take it easy.